Hi everyone, I'm Hubert from Wordware team. In the last video, I introduced you to our Model Context Protocol server that allows you to give your Claude or ChatGPT access to your data and tools you use in your day-to-day work. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually set it up. Everyone uses Claude and ChatGPT in their day-to-day work, and they need to copy and paste things, which is very wasteful. What Model Context Protocol allows you to do is to gather data from your life, but also take action. So your Claude, when you ask it, can send a Slack message, send a mail, or even turn your poem into audio file and send it to your friend. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, we are at Wordware. The way to get there is either to sign up and make your own flow or copy one of our templates from the link in the description. As you can see, I have a template which is text-to-speech with 11 labs. This is a tool that allows Claude to turn the text into speech and return a link that you can download or send in the email. After I've built this flow, I need to click Publish. After you publish your flow, you need to get your API key, which will be used by your MCP server. We click over here in the right into API keys. Create my new key, let's call it MCP create, and now I have my API key. I need to copy it and go to mcp.beta.wordware.ai. I paste my key and I create a toolbox and open my toolbox, and as you can see, I have text-to-speech with 11 labs. When I click Add Tool, this tool will be added to my toolbox. I've also added a Slack message to my toolbox, and as a next step, I need to connect my toolbox to my Claude. As you can see over here, there is an MCP server endpoint, fancy language, but you just copy the link and you go back to Claude to put it in. Let me do it right now. I go to Tools, Add Integrations, Add Integration, Wordware, Toolbox. I paste the URL and click Add. Now my Claude has access to my Wordware Toolbox. This means that your Claude has a superpower. And by a superpower, I mean it can actually engage with the world. Not only read from it, but actually engage. Send your email, send Slack messages, add rows to Google spreadsheet, even do DCFs, financial valuation models if you wanted to. A small demo on my toolbox. I've asked Claude to search for a German poem and send it via Slack to myself using my colleague Janek. Slack, can you search for a German poem and send it via Slack to Hubert? As you can see, Claude did everything, and I should have a Slack message with a poem in my Slack. I actually have it. And that's all. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.